यासीन मलिक को आजीवन कारादंड टेरर फंडिंग मामला रे यासीन को आजीवन कारादंडादेश शुणा एवं यासीन को आजीवन कारादंड राय शुणाई दिल्ली पटियाला हाउस कोर्ट। आतंकवादी को पांठी जोगाण मामला रे यासीन दोषी साब्यस्त होइतिबा बेले तांको फांसी दंड शुणाइबाकू अपील करितिला जातीय तदंतकारी संस्था बा एनआईए। सेपटे यासीन को वकील मध्य आजीवन कारादंड पई कोर्ट को निवेदन करथिले। आज
लेकिन court has also looked into the past antecedent and also the probability of the reformation of any of the accused whenever any sentence is decided.
टोटल जुर्माना कितना होगा लगभग?
टोटल जुर्माना मेरे हिसाब से जो देख के समझ में आ रहा 11 के आसपास आएगा।
11 लाख के आसपास।
हाँ जी,
11 लाख के आसपास। 11 लाख के आसपास कह रहे हैं।
हाँ।
क्या कुछ आज एक मिनट सर, आज क्या कुछ एक मिनट क्या यार, फिर आप ही कर लो फिर यार।
ये पहले जो
क्या हुआ सर, थोड़ा सा विस्तार में बता दीजिए। अरे आप नाराज ना कर लो, कर लो, एक साथ नहीं करना ना।
या फोटो ले लो ना, आराम दे दो मेरे को
सर। आज
डबल
विच्छिन्नतावादी नेता यासीन मलिक को मृत्यु दंड पाई मध्य पूर्व दाबी होता किंतु तांको आजीवन कारादंडादेश रे दंडित करिसेंती कोर्ट। दंड शुणाई दिल्ली पटियाला हाउस कोर्ट।
ऑन द पॉइंट ऑफ, इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हैं?
यस।
ऑन द पॉइंट ऑफ quantum of sentence to be awarded in the judgment which was pronounced on 19th of May 2022 in State versus Hafiz Saeed, in which Yasin Malik was one of the accused as accused number 14. Okay. Both the party, the state which is NIA in the present case, and I as a amicus curiae appointed by the Honorable Court, both people argued regarding the quantum of the sentence. Under section 1921 IPC, the maximum sentence was death or the capital punishment, and the minimum punishment was life imprisonment. Both the parties, NIA asked for a capital punishment, and being a amicus curiae, I requested before the Honorable Court to award a life imprisonment, which was the minimum sentence in the sentences in which he has been convicted.
Sir, what was the matter of plea? What was the matter of plea? What Malik said? What was the matter of plea? I am asking. What Malik said when judge asked him? You have just said.
Malik has stated before the Honorable Court that he is totally satisfied by the Honorable Court decision, and he is fully satisfied with all the legal assistance he has been provided to him during the course of the, on the point of the plead guilty and the sentence and also the judgment.
What will be the further process? Now the people can go to High Court also? Sir,
once the person plead guilty, then there is a very, very less chances that he can challenge the sentence order, because he stated that he has committed those crimes. So only sentence or only the challenge will be regarding the quantum of the sentence, that not more than that.
हिंदी में बता दीजिए कितना जुर्माना लगा है?
सर टोटल जुर्माना 11 लाख के आसपास लगा होगा।
थैंक यू।